How to install, upload files and folders in Mobile G Drive. Go to Google Play Store.
Type Google Drive in Play Store search box.
Click Install button.
It will start downloading the Google Drive application in mobile. The installation of the app starts immediately after completion of downloading process.
Click Open button to view the Google Drive app.
Click Add button to upload files.
Click Upload icon.
Select the file which you want to store in Google Drive.
Click Allow button in order to access photos and media on your devices.
Our file is uploaded successfully in our drive.
Click on File to view it in Google Drive.
We can add multiple files like this way. In the next sections, we will dive into Google Drive app.
Do you know how it works? Click our channel to watch the next video.